Okay, this today is... Oh, they have samples here? Oh, it's so pretty. How much is it before when you bought it? Wow, beauty stuff. It's pretty. Okay, let's go get the dahon. The banana leaves. We're getting the banana leaves here. Frozen. Banana leaves. Grated cassava. Oh, I want this boho. It's so clean. Yeah,
smell
it's
too.
good, good. Let's go this way. Oh, Tropicana is $1.99. But that's small, no?
Orange and tangerine flavor. It's different. Let's just try it.
Oh my gosh. This is our Milagrosa. Oh my god. This one is expensive. The rice is expensive. Coconut milk. Huh?
$20.
Made in what? Not in the Philippine island. What's that mean?
Want some? Try it.
No. Just one.
They better have a membership.
They have sushi!
No, and then they have the kitchen.
They have the kitchen.
They have soup dumplings.
You're gonna suck in the money.
Wait, can I just get something to eat? Let's go check it. Over here you have the hot food bar.
What?
Over here you have the hot food bar.
Oh.
No sampling allowed.
Oh, no sampling, huh? Janine, you should get this. Salt and pepper.
What? Kaplan?
Kaplan.
No, it's okay.
Oh, the sushi. Wow, it's fresh. For daddy. Let's
You
get...
know what? Just get some. 'Cause I didn't only
Yeah.
get pork belly.
Let's get them. He's gonna be happy.
Just roasted pork.
Okay.
Or should we get the duck?
Yeah, roasted. Or he likes this.
Okay, I don't know. You have to ask the guy.
Her. What are you getting? Huh? Suman? Siomai. Oh my. Okay. They have miso, ramen. Oh my god, this is so nice in here.
Oh my god, look at the little cards. Oh my god, so cute.
Aww. They have a cart to little girls. They're for kids. Uh-oh. This is so good. Let's go, let's go. Look at these people here. There's a lot of people. There's a peeled garlic. We're gonna have Kamayan. For Christmas, New Year.
Wash your hands.
Everybody, wash your hands.
You don't have to. Well, use
Still, wash your hands.
the glove. Just rub it on your nose. Anyway.
Okay, move it over.
Oh my God. Okay, leave it like that. Leave it like that.
That's not the same here, so it's good.
We better.
Hello, we're missing out.
Jeez.
The problem with Indian food is you can't do this with Don rice.
Yeah, so just
The dog will
it's gonna
just roll
spread
off.
everywhere.
Give some.
I gave him some already.
No, give him his food and
I
give
did.
him his own.
Here, can I have a big suitcase? What about me? What about me?
Yeah, just eat it.
My brother.
He does eat.
Huwag mo muna ipopos, ha?
No, not yet.
Mag-iinom ni Mami. Andiyan ka.
No. You'll be in trouble.
You're gonna be in trouble.
I will be in trouble.
No, not yet.
Like, what about us?
Guys, hey. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Oh, video?
The red one in front of you. That's tilapia? Oh, you have longanise?
Woo! Yes. Ready. Oh, your money! Your money! Yay! Picket! Can't take it up. Happy birthday, Lina! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Actually, born in New Year.
Wow!
You're accepting some money from the government. No? Does she have a special gift from the government? Yeah? For New Year baby. You wanted the one?
If-
Born in 16. Oh, it has to be
The first one.
let's see.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Basti! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Rishma, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, darling. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! I love you! Happy New Year!
Okay.
Good stuff.
Got the eggplant. There's eggplant.
Where's the mussel?
Yeah, he has the eggplant.
Different color.
It's not centered though. It's really bothering me.
Can I put the garnish on the dish?
Yeah, I think.
On the plate. This is on the side. Okay, this is your plate, huh? Eat from this one. Whatever's left, don't put it. Oh, nice.
Oh, where's the mussel? No, you just cracked it.
My house.
Get the corkscrew! Get him! Get him! Get him! Woohoo! Happy New Year! Woo! Happy birthday! Woo! If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.